Welcome to Best Buying Report. The Best Floss Gum is probably one of the most convenient and effective ways to freshen your breath and promote oral hygiene. Combining the benefits of flossing with the enjoyment of chewing gum, this innovative product makes taking care of your teeth a more pleasant experience. It's perfect for those who want a quick and easy solution for maintaining a healthy smile throughout the day, without the hassle of traditional flossing. Number 5. GUM Soft Picks Advanced Dental Picks. Introducing GUM Soft Picks, designed for easy and effective teeth cleaning. These soft bristles slide effortlessly between your teeth, removing plaque and food particles. This helps promote healthier gums, cleaner teeth, and fresher breath. These advanced soft picks feature a longer, curved handle and a tapered tip. This design provides pinpoint precision and allows for a deeper reach. It's an excellent choice if you have small interdental spaces or orthodontic appliances. With over 100 years of dental care expertise, GUM understands the importance of gum health. They are recommended by dentists and tailored to meet various oral care needs. They offer solutions that are as unique as your mouth. These dental picks are the perfect oral hygiene accessory for your on-the-go lifestyle. Each set comes with a convenient plastic case. You can easily carry it in your wallet, car, or handbag. Whole body health begins with healthy gums. Developing a daily routine for healthy gums isn't just good for your mouth, it's good for your whole body. Make it a part of your daily routine. What we like. This product features soft bristles and a tapered tip for gentle yet effective cleaning. It's perfect for those with sensitive gums or tight spaces. If you have braces or bridges, this is a great choice to keep your mouth feeling fresh and clean. What people say. They have great durability, are very compact in size, and great effective quality toothpicks when it comes to getting the job done. These picks are easy to use, which is a polite way of saying they're designed for people who think flossing with string is some kind of medieval torture. They slide between your teeth like a ninja, dislodging mystery food particles you didn't even know were hosting a party back there. Number 4. GUM Soft Picks Advanced, Easy Teeth Cleaning. Introducing GUM Soft Picks Advanced. These dental picks are designed for easy and effective teeth cleaning. They help remove plaque and food particles, promoting healthier gums and fresher breath. These soft bristles slide effortlessly between your teeth. They are more effective than traditional toothpicks. Using them will leave you with a cleaner, healthier mouth. The advanced design features a longer, curved handle and a tapered tip. This allows for pinpoint precision and a deeper reach. It's perfect for those with braces or other dental appliances. With over 100 years of dental care experience, GUM understands oral health. That's why dentists recommend these picks. They are designed to cater to various oral care needs. These dental picks are the perfect oral hygiene accessory. Each set comes with a convenient carry case. You can easily take them with you wherever you go. Healthy gums are essential for overall wellness. Developing a daily routine with these picks is good for your mouth and your entire body. Start your journey to a healthier you today. What we like. This product offers the same great features as the previous one, with soft bristles and a tapered tip for effective cleaning. It also comes with an on-the-go case, making it easy to maintain your oral hygiene routine wherever you are. If you are looking for a convenient way to keep your teeth clean throughout the day, this is the perfect choice. What people say. Comfortable to use. Easy also. Small, convenient size for pocket, purse, or wallet. They really work and do a good job. This is a great gum clean, very soft and easy can be used. These little brushes have increased the success of my dental visits. This tight size I use for the teeth closest to each other. Number 3. GUM Comfort Slide Floss Picks. Introducing GUM Comfort Slide Floss Picks. This product is designed to make flossing easier and more effective. It helps you achieve healthier gums and a fresher breath. These floss picks make it simple to remove food particles and plaque. They improve blood flow to your gums, even in those hard-to-reach areas of your mouth. The Comfort Slide Flossers feature smooth dental floss. This floss is specifically designed to comfortably clean between even the tightest teeth. These floss picks are perfect for use anytime, anywhere. They easily fit into your purse, pocket, or travel kit. This makes it convenient to keep your teeth clean and feeling their best. Each GUM tooth flosser has a refreshing mint flavor. This ensures a refreshing taste and leaves you with a confident smile. The GUM brand is committed to providing innovative products. These products help everyone achieve their healthiest life possible. It is an important part of your overall health. What we like. This product features Comfort Slide Floss, designed for tight teeth and easy maneuverability. The easy grip handle ensures a comfortable and secure hold while flossing. If you like a refreshing mint flavor and need a flosser that easily glides between tight teeth, this is the one for you. What people say. The floss is easy to use and glides smoothly between teeth. The handle is comfortable to hold and provides good control. It effectively removes plaque and food particles. Number 2. GUM Professional Clean Floss Picks, 6 packs. Want healthier gums and fresher breath? These floss picks make flossing simple. They easily remove food particles and plaque, even in those hard-to-reach spots. These professional clean floss picks have an easy grip handle. The floss is extra strong and waxed, so it resists shredding and sagging. It's designed for a thorough clean. Need a quick clean anytime, anywhere? These picks fit perfectly in your pocket or bag. They're ideal for keeping your teeth clean and fresh, no matter where you are. Each floss stick is preloaded with mint-flavored floss. This gives you a refreshing taste and leaves you with a confident smile. Enjoy the fresh feeling. Oral health is linked to overall health. This product is designed to help you achieve your healthiest life. Use it to improve your oral hygiene. What we like. This product features an easy grip handle and extra strong, shred-resistant floss for a superior clean. The fresh mint flavor leaves your mouth feeling refreshed. If you are looking for a reliable and effective flosser with a comfortable grip, you should consider this. What people say. These are the only flossers that I will use. I can't stand using regular old floss, and the ease of using these is why I'm able to get myself to floss daily. These flosses work good. They're sturdy enough where you only have to use one per flossing. They don't break like most other brands. High quality product. Number 1. GUM Professional Clean Floss Picks, Fresh Mint. Introducing GUM Professional Clean Floss Picks. These floss picks make flossing easy and effective. It helps you achieve a healthier smile effortlessly. These flossers feature an easy grip handle and extra strong floss. They are designed for a professional clean, anytime, anywhere. It's perfect for on-the-go oral care. The floss picks effectively remove food particles and plaque. This improves blood flow to your gums, even in those hard-to-reach areas. Using it regularly contributes to better oral health. Each floss stick is preloaded with fresh mint-flavored floss. This leaves your mouth feeling refreshed and gives you a confident smile. The refreshing flavor enhances the flossing experience. Gum is committed to providing innovative oral care products. This product is designed to help everyone achieve their healthiest life possible. Prioritize your oral health with this product. What we like. This product offers the same great features as the previous one, with an easy grip handle and shred-resistant floss. It also comes with a refreshing mint flavor. If you are looking for a reliable and effective flosser, this is a great choice. What people say. I can clean my whole mouth with one pick. The pick on these, in my opinion, is the best pick, with just the right sharpness and pointiness to get food out from in between your teeth. The floss doesn't shred. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.